Tankless water heaters, especially electric models, are notorious for tripping circuit breakers. Understanding why this happens is crucial for preventing costly electrical issues and ensuring reliable hot water supply. Electric tankless water heaters require enormous amounts of power to instantly heat water as it flows through. A typical unit can draw 15 to 30 kilowatts, which is equivalent to running 15 to 30 space heaters simultaneously. The most common cause of breaker trips is circuit overload. When your tankless water heater shares a circuit with other high-power appliances like electric dryers, air conditioners, or multiple outlets, the combined electrical load exceeds the circuit's capacity. Short circuits occur when electricity takes an unintended path, usually due to damaged wiring or failed heating elements. This creates a direct connection between hot and neutral wires, causing massive current flow that instantly trips the breaker. Ground faults happen when electricity leaks from the intended circuit path to ground, often through damaged wire insulation or corroded connections. This creates a safety hazard and triggers ground fault circuit interrupters or standard breakers. Overheating occurs when the water heater's safety systems detect dangerous temperatures. This can result from insufficient water flow, failing temperature sensors, blocked air vents, or clogged filters that restrict proper operation. Mineral buildup from hard water creates insulation around heating elements, forcing them to work much harder to heat water. This increased workload draws more electrical current, potentially overloading circuits and tripping breakers more frequently. Understanding these 5 main causes of breaker trips helps identify the root problem with your tankless water heater. Each cause requires different diagnostic approaches and solutions to restore safe, reliable operation. Before we begin troubleshooting, safety is paramount. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before inspecting your tankless water heater. Never work on electrical components while power is on. First, ensure your tankless water heater is on a dedicated circuit. These units require significant power and should not share circuits with other high-power appliances. A dedicated circuit prevents overloading. Next, carefully inspect all wiring connections. Look for loose connections, corrosion on terminals, damaged insulation, burnt or melted wires, and any discolored components. These are all signs of electrical problems that can cause breaker trips. If the breaker has tripped, you can try resetting it once. However, if it trips immediately again or trips frequently, stop and do not keep resetting it. This indicates a serious underlying problem that needs professional attention. Use a multimeter to test the heating elements for continuity. Set your multimeter to continuity mode and test each heating element. A functioning element should show continuity. If there's no continuity, the element is burnt out and needs replacement. Check the thermostats and high-limit switches for proper function. Test the thermostat operation. Verify the high-limit switch hasn't tripped. Check temperature settings and look for any reset buttons that may need to be pressed. For gas tankless heaters, inspect all vents and air intakes for blockages. Check that the exhaust pipe is clear, verify the gas valve is fully open, and ensure there's adequate gas pressure. Blocked vents can cause overheating and safety shutdowns. Insufficient water flow can cause overheating and breaker trips. Check and clean inlet filter screens, verify the minimum flow rate is being met, and flush the system if mineral buildup is suspected. Poor water flow forces the unit to work harder. If you're uncomfortable with any of these tests, if the breaker continues to trip, or if you discover electrical or gas issues, always call a qualified electrician or plumber. Professional installation and repair ensure safety and proper function. Never compromise on safety for the sake of saving money.